You're not manifesting, are you? You need to watch this video. Welcome back, guys, to the Manifesting Show with Jana and Ben. Usual format. I ask Jana a question. She has no idea what it is, and then she enlightens us all with her wisdom. So, are you ready?
Absolutely. For anything by now.
Okay, so this specific question, Jana, is regarding the Bridge of Incidents.
Okay.
So, the let's say the better you get at manifesting, does the bridge of incidents A become more frequent and B does it become more intense?
Interesting. Interesting. That's a really good match, especially today, because I will show you. I don't know. I'm trying not to. Do you see, guys, everything? This is the biggest box of chocolates I could get hold of today. And I'll tell you why, because I survived the worst bridge, or as one of my clients calls it, a bitch of incidents,
More
which
accurate,
took
yeah.
which took 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my God, you have to be kidding me. I'm just in survival mode. Okay. So I opened the box a few minutes ago. There's 10 pieces gone already. Okay. This is danger zone, danger zone. Okay. So I would have answered you differently 2 weeks ago, I think.
Okay, that's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, this time, although my general belief is everything's very easy. Everything's very easy. There are no problems. People are problem makers. Their problems do not exist.
Yeah.
I had to deal with creating ads for my business for the first time in my life, and things went wrong and totally wrong and worse than wrong for 2 weeks, to the point that I was like, I don't care anymore. I really don't care. I'm just trying to survive this. Maybe I'll just call it off. I lived before the ads. I will live without the ads. I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Um, and it was that release when I was like, I'm stepping away. I'm letting my team and agency team do whatever the hell they want. I'm stepping away. I'm gonna go look for chocolate and go to hairdressers and fuck this. Okay.
Yeah.
And when I did that, it turned right within half an hour.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I'm not needy, and I'm clearly, otherwise I wouldn't be who I am. I wouldn't be able to manifest in seconds. I wasn't needy. I wasn't like, it has to work. I wasn't thinking about it. I was like, it was just a bridge of incidents.
Mm.
Really nasty one. Two mega screw ups, and the third time it worked. Well, actually, I'm hoping it works. We just finished it today. So,
Wow.
um, and sometimes nasty things have to happen in order for you to win. And sometimes, you know what? I'll give you my take on these things. When you're on a level here, you want to be on a level here. Yeah.
Yeah.
100 million running businesses,
Yeah.
1,000 people employed, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. And while you're here, yeah, there are problems, but they're manageable. It can be a little upsetting, and the higher you get, the problems are bigger, not smaller.
Yeah.
They're bigger. And sometimes that's why the bridge of incidents was worse than I'm used to. And that's what, and this is the golden nugget. I'm gonna tell you, everyone, this is the golden nugget. Bridge of incident happens. You shut the fuck up. You say thank you because they're just promoting you. It means you're being promoted. And if you fail, they'll take you right down to the level you've just been in.
Yeah.
You get quiet, you say thank you, and you get into, I'm letting them do whatever they need to do. Because as if universe needs to see that you are okay with the pressure which awaits you on the next level. And if you're
Okay.
not, they may not promote you because they like you, and why would they want you to fail?
Yeah.
So all you need to do is I need to adjust my mindset and my nervous system to a different level of stress.
Mm.
So I'll let my people and their people. So, oh, that's the famous, and my people will talk to your people. I
Yeah.
always wanted to say that. I finally did it. And you just take a break, step away because your bad energy wouldn't be any good. You say, I don't give a shit anymore. I don't care. I need chocolates.
Yeah.
And things will be sorted out because I just proved to them that despite this being really upsetting and nasty and so much work put in,
Yeah.
that that I'm okay, that I'm doing well, that I'm strong enough to take it.
Yeah.
And when you say I'm strong enough to take it, I don't really give a shit. There you go.
Yeah.
So this is the golden nugget. It doesn't mean that things get super easy.
Mm.
Manifesting gets super easy. The
Yeah.
fast, the results, the bigger results, it's on automatic pilot. But the stress can get bigger.
Mm.
And you need to keep proving yourself. You need to upgrading. That's what it is, upgrade of personality. Well, 2 years ago, I thought you might have thought that stress is breaking your fingernail. Yeah. And you were like, what the hell? I paid this much for it. What is it? And now it's like, well, you can literally see thousands of dollars flowing away from you if something
Mm.
goes wrong. And
Yeah.
you have to be like, I don't care.
Yeah.
So different level,
Yeah.
different level. Does it make sense the way I
Yes, it
described
does.
it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why I keep saying you need to keep upgrading your personality first and foremost.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I think
Because
that some people, when they start manifesting and they start really manifesting, when Bridge of Incidents does come along and it does get tougher and you do get tested more, I think that's when people think, oh, well, what's the point in me doing all this if I'm just getting crap coming my way the whole time?
yeah, it's not crap. You're being promoted.
Yeah.
And if you say it's crap, you give up because like, well, I thought if I learn to manifest, my life will be super fucking easy forever.
Mm.
The, whatever we think about him, gonna leave alone. But Trump, Musk, they got how many hundreds of billions?
Yeah.
256 Musk or something.
Mm.
You think that he's got an easy life. He's under stress none of us could possibly imagine.
Yeah.
And he copes with it as if, he got mold bread in Target.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like, yeah, all right. Can you imagine Zuckerberg? What did he lose? Like 150 billion or 15 billion? One of those. The
Yeah.
numbers are relevant. In one day. And that's like, yeah, okay, has to be dealt with, or I don't care. I can make it by doing this, blah, 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 done.
Yeah.
You need to completely change the way you view things, how important it is, and your nervous system.
Yeah.
And the more you do it, the better results. It doesn't mean that they have that would mean by this logic that if I manifest, everything will be easy. That's why I'm manifesting. By that logic, President of the United States would be basically lying on a beach all day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you see that happening, or do you see him going from one horrible things to another
Mm.
several times a day? It doesn't get easier.
No.
You have to learn how to easily deal with it.
Yeah. That's the difference.
That's the difference.
That's the difference. Yeah.
Yeah, the difference is that here, if someone took you to court for 10,000, you'd have a near heart attack. They took him to court for 400 million,
Yeah.
and he
Something like
said
that, I think.
it's
Yeah.
not going to happen.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
different way to deal with things, different way to see things,
Yeah.
different way to deal with stress. If you
Yeah.
cannot learn how to deal with stress, you're going to struggle a lot.
Mm.
You need to be like, what do I keep teaching you? Bite me. I don't care. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
That's what it is. That is the difference. But if you get stressed out by, oh my God, fly on a window. No, that's
Mm.
that's not gonna. You
Yeah.
cannot be a billionaire or multimillionaire when that stresses you out.
Yeah.
Because go and have a look at all the billionaires and all the people in power and the shit they have to deal with several times a day and see if they're collapsing every 2 minutes,
Yeah.
having nervous breakdowns.
Yeah.
You need to choose. But manifesting as such gets easy. It gets really, really, really easy. I'm it just brilliant. I manifested three unbelievable things in like 10 seconds yesterday,
Yeah.
one after another. I'm gonna make a special video about it. But that's what it is. So guys, just keep working on our personality, and that you ran into a bitch of incidents means
Mm.
that you're very close to getting what you want. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean that you're far. It means you're very close. You
Yeah.
just have to survive it and say thank you instead of, why are you doing this to me? What the fuck is wrong with you? That's the wrong attitude. Universe will
Yeah.
not like that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank them and say, I know why you're doing it
Yeah.
because you're promoting me. Thank you.
Yeah. I've got this.
I've got this. I'm just not going to react to 3D circumstances. Isn't one of the biggest rules of manifesting? I'm not going to react to 3D circumstances
Yeah.
and I'm not going to react emotionally.
Yeah.
That's why. And they're testing you each time. So just stop failing at it. Just say, okay, I know what you're doing. Ah, hilarious. Haha.
Yeah.
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 That's it. Does it answer your question?
It does. It does.
Awesome. Excellent. Wonderful. Thank you, Ben.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
everyone. And we'll see you soon. Actually, next week. Thanks
Yeah.
a lot. Bye bye.
See you guys. Bye.